Best Beginner Adventure Motorcycle 2025 CFMoto 450 metric tons. The adventure motorcycle market is booming, and 2025 brings an exciting new contender for beginner riders. The CFMoto 450 metric tons, designed as an entry-level adventure bike, the 450 metric tons combines affordability, performance, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for those looking to explore both paved roads and off-road trails. A game-changer for entry-level adventure riders. CFMoto has been gaining popularity for producing high-quality motorcycles at competitive prices, and the 450 metric tons is no exception. It slots in below the more powerful 650 metric tons in the company's adventure lineup but offers plenty of capability for new riders. With a lightweight chassis, manageable power output, and adventure-ready features, the 450 metric tons is set to be a favorite among beginners and budget-conscious riders. Performance and engine. At the heart of the 450 metric tons is a 449 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, expected to produce around 45 horsepower. This power plant delivers a smooth and predictable power band, making it easy for beginners to handle. The 6-speed transmission ensures a comfortable balance between highway cruising and off-road capability, while a slipper clutch helps with smooth downshifts and prevents wheel lockups. Lightweight and adventure-ready design. One of the biggest advantages of the 450 metric tons is its weight. Weighing in at approximately 175 kilograms, 386 pounds dry, it is significantly lighter than many larger adventure bikes, making it easier to maneuver. The high ground clearance and long travel suspension further enhance its ability to handle rough terrains, while the 19-inch front and 17-inch rear spoke wheels ensure stability on both pavement and dirt roads. Technology and features. Despite being a budget-friendly model, the CFMoto 450 metric tons doesn't skimp on features. It includes a full-color TFT display, LED lighting, and multiple ride modes to adapt to different terrains. Riders can also expect switchable ABS, a must-have for off-road riding, as well as a USB charging port for added convenience during long trips. Comfort and ergonomics. A good adventure bike needs to be comfortable for long rides, and CFMoto has designed the 450 metric tons with a well-padded, comfortable seat height of around 820 mm, 32.3 inches. The upright riding position and wide handlebars provide excellent control, while a windscreen helps reduce wind fatigue on highways. Affordability and competition. One of the biggest draws of the CFMoto 450 metric tons is its price. Expected to be priced under $7,000, it significantly undercuts competitors like the KTM 390 Adventure and Honda's CRF 300L Rally, while offering more power and adventure-ready features. CFMoto's growing dealership network also ensures better availability and support. Conclusion: the best beginner ADV bike for 2025? With its combination of affordable pricing, beginner-friendly performance, and adventure-ready features, the CFMoto 450 metric tons is set to become one of the best entry-level adventure motorcycles of 2025. Whether you're a new rider looking for your first ADV bike or an experienced rider wanting an affordable and capable option, the 450 metric tons is worth considering.